Hi guys, you join us on Saturday afternoon. I think it's the 31st of August. It's a beautiful summer's day. However, it's the last day of summer, I believe.
No.
I think it is.
No, it's not.
I think it is. I think it.
No,
I think.
no.
Anyway,
August
anyway.
starts in September.
I think it's the last day of summer. I heard it on the radio this morning. Official last day of summer.
We had a summer.
Well, yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful day out there. The motorhome's currently parked on the drive. We brought it home to give it a good clean, inside and out.
Yeah, we thought since we've got the motorhome here, we'd give you a quick tour around. Let's go off and we'll show you the motorhome.
Okay, so there she is. She's a Auto Trail Apache and she's a 634. 7.4 metres long, 3.1 metres high, and I think 2.4 metres wide, but I'm not quite sure about that. She's on a 19 plate and she's on a Fiat Ducato chassis. So as you can see, this is obviously the cab. See the cab. Got some fairy seat covers in there just to just to protect it really, keep it clean, keep it tidy. It's got air conditioning, it's got sat nav. It's it's quite comfortable, to drive. It's got a rear camera. It's pretty nippy, not bad at all really. Well, you don't want to see inside the gas, but got 2 6-litre gas bottles in there, propane, application door. This is your gas plug. So when you're using gas on heating, always take that off. Gas barbecue point. Awning above. Flush with the top, which is a good. I love that feature. As you can see from the back windows, it's rear lounge. I've got a garage that goes all the way through. I'll show you, but you're not going to see much because it's absolutely rammed full of holiday stuff, ready to go on our holes. As you can see there, it's absolutely full. Chairs, kit, cleaning stuff, mats, tables, crocs. And if you go down the other side, it's the same. So on the other side, I've got the next door neighbour's car, so I'm not going to show you on the other side, but I have got the toilet cassette, the water intake, the electric hookup point, and I've got a shower point as well around there for the dog, which is fun, but we'll now go inside. So, welcome to the cab end of the motorhome. There's 2 types of Apache 634. There's the high line, which has a bed here, and there's a low line. This particular model is a low line. We have the cupboards, so it's only a 2-bed motorhome. Whereas the other 634, the high line, is technically a 4-bed because you have the rear lounge bed, and you have a bed above the cab, which comes out here, and it goes further up. So anyway, this is the low line model. Gives us plenty of storage space at the front.
They're huge cupboards, aren't they?
And they're massive, yeah.
So
I mean,
keep all our bedding.
Our bedding in there. There's quilt covers and quilts and all sorts. Pillows. Again, bedding, pillows, blankets, all sorts of stuff in there.
Ties everything away, and then when the bed's out, we put all our cushions and that in there.
And there's our quilts. My quilt. And in there is our EC700 Sergeant power unit. That powers the entire thing. Okay, down here I've got a little cubbyhole, which is they built this from 2018 onwards. Prior to 2018, this didn't happen. I think the table's still there, but the little shelves and everything. Okay, on what I call Pam's side, she's got even more cubbyholes here. And she fills them. Trust me. That's Marlo's crocodile look. Comes everywhere with him. It's his favourite toy. Wardrobe.
Really spacious, isn't it?
Yeah, plenty of room.
his and her boxes for...
His and her boxes,
Smalls and stuff.
plenty of room in there for all the kit that we need. This we generally use
This
for
is Marlo's cupboard.
Marlo's
isn't it?
cupboard, and he has all his food, all his bits and bobs, his feeding trays, his bowls, his ball thrower, all that kind of stuff, his leads, all sorts go in there. A full length mirror for when Pam wants to do her hair. We've got a bathroom which is adequate size. It looks tight in here, and it is quite tight.
We've got the dog's bed in here at the
But
moment.
that's the dog's bed. But there's a shower cubicle, and we've got an hanging rail up there for coats and wet towels, etc., etc.
Everything, but it's standard.
So I'm gonna go to that end, and Pam's gonna come to this end. So welcome to the living area. This is the living area. In fact, yeah. Shall we do the kitchen first?
Yeah.
Full length cooker, full cooker, grill. That's your oven.
And do you know what? I keep forgetting
Yes.
there's a little cupboard, and that
Yeah.
other glass panel's a
Yeah.
cupboard, isn't it?
Yep, that's a cupboard under
And
there.
I keep forgetting about
You can
that.
put pans and all sorts under there. It's full oven, gas oven. Again, grill, gas grill. And then we've got three gas burners and one electric plate on the top of the oven, which comes in handy. Then obviously we've got the sink and the tap. And this thing here,
Yeah, now Auto Trail, if you do ever watch this, Auto Trail, please
get one that fills the entire sink.
make one that fills the entire thing with just a little bit of a cutout for the tap. You appreciate that, but it just looks, I don't know, it just looks untidy and unfinished. And yeah, it goes both ways, but
Yeah, it just needs that finish, and
Yeah.
we can use it as a work surface then.
Yeah.
Like that. Russell Hobbs microwave at the top.
it's all out.
Yeah, there's your control panel up there. This is where your control panel is. There, all your heating
Which we're still
and
sussing
hot
out.
water, which is we still get it wrong sometimes. Kitchen drawers, masses and masses of space in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Oh,
Yeah, loads of space in there for all sorts of different things. We've got a drawer there, and a utensils drawer there. It's quite deep and long. And then we've got this. Now I wish
which?
that was a pull-out, wire
Yeah.
pull-out thing. That'd be great for all your tins and all that kind of
Would
stuff. But
be, yeah.
okay, so we've got the full-length fridge. It's only one of these. It only opens one way. It's not one of these fancy fridges that opens several different directions.
Full of water bottles.
Yeah, with plenty of water in there. Yeah. Oh, this little drawer here that slides out. Lovely. And that houses
Let me
our air
keep that
fryer. Got the heat in the fire, which is brilliant. It really just kicks some heat out of that in the winter. And then this little, is where we put our TV. Now, TV currently sits under this bench in its little bag, along with other bits and bobs. Overhead lockers, loads.
Cupboard space. I mean,
We've got
we've
8
got-
overhead lockers here. Eight. That's like a ridiculous amount of overhead lockers.
And so the lounge doubles up as our bed as well. So it's on there. But what I just wanted to quickly show you is, obviously, like a lot of people, we keep our seats covered up, people because we've got dogs, kids, or we just do it because we're protecting our investment. Sometimes throws are a bit fiddly. Anyway, I wanted something I could just lay on the top, lay on the back, don't move, don't have to keep tucking it in or anything like that. And I came across this company and I've just want to add that we've not been sent these are something I've bought, and I just want to share with people if they're looking for something different. We're not affiliated to them in any way, but the company name is Funny Fuzzy, and I'll put the details in the description below. But basically, this is it. So they come in single pieces, different sizes. So basically, all I do, these have been off because we've been washing them. Just take these off for now. Now they've got a little bit of a dotty rubbery back to be non-slip, and to be fair, they are pretty much spot on, aren't they? They don't move.
No, they don't.
Or anything. So once I've got them on, they're on.
They don't shift. They
And
don't
I'll
move
show
at
you
all.
what a difference they make when it comes to making up the bed as well, because
We don't have to take them off.
we had to take them off, didn't we?
Now these they might think these are quite fiddly now. Pam's fiddling about a bit. Yeah, but she's fiddling about a bit to get them on. But once they're on, they're on. They don't come off.
They don't come off.
We don't take them off at all then to go to bed or anything.
So that is seat cover.
That one's that one. So she's just going to do one side just to show you.
I'm going to do one side. Show you what they're like.
And they are a really, really good thing to have.
So again, we just sort of get it roughly where we need it to be. Take it down. And because that shelf is there, that just makes it a little bit awkward. Tuck that underneath there. They do fight back a bit because of the rubbery bit on the back. And there you have it.
So that's that. And that's
They don't move.
completely covered. And they don't shift at all. They don't move.
This is the chenille one.
There is different types of
Different
material.
materials,
Yeah.
everything like that. Now when it comes to making up the bed, you say, yeah, but you need your back cover because these are
Your infill
the
cushions.
infill cushions. We don't have any other infill cushions. However, all we do is we slip this out, pop that over there, that goes in there, make up the bed, like this, that and the other. When it comes to putting it back, I don't have to take all of that off. I literally just slip the cushion back in place. Pop that over. And we're done.
Yeah, and there you go, and it's as simple as that, and that's how it works. And the cushions go for all the way around. They go all the way around, cover everything.
Yeah.
To protect our, as I say, Pam says, protect our seats, protect our investment, because we don't want to, you know, especially with Marlowe.
They're coming lots of colours, coming lots of different materials. What I did when I measured the seats up is I went for the slightly bigger one. But check when you do, because some can be slightly longer, but they can also be deeper as well. But we've got another one that goes right across the back. That configuration for here, and then we've got a little one that just sits on here because this is where Marlowe sits. And all we do with that you see the grippiness. You know, I mean, it's not 100%, but
Yeah, that's it doesn't move. Doesn't move.
I'm having to pull on that quite hard.
They're brilliant, and you took that in the back, and you can't. All you have to do is tuck it in a little bit,
Goes under there.
and then you get that. So that's the Marlowe one. Then we've got one that goes right across the back, and the same configuration on the right hand side as you look at it now to the left, and that's in the entire rear lounge covered with these
So once
throws.
they're on, you're not having to faff about tucking them in, or you know, they're sort of falling out or anything like that. Yeah, the back needs sort of tidied up a little bit. And I can only speak for these chenille ones, but washing wise, they've washed beautifully. Just be aware some materials might shrink, but I washed these at a 30-degree wash, 2-cycle rinse, 800 spin, and air dried them outside, and they have washed and dried beautifully. There's been no shrinkage on these particular ones, these are chenille ones, and they just look lovely. hoping that you like what you've seen.
Yeah,
we'll just give you
a brief tour of our motorhome, our bus. And we are due to go on holiday on the 14th, Saturday the 14th of September. So
this will go out on, so it's Saturday now, this will go out on Tuesday. And then Dave will give you an update on his new toy.
So I'm just going to show you what I bought, why I bought it, have a quick look around it, and now, and then in about maybe 3 or 4 weeks' time, once I've used it and I've abused it, as you like, I'll let you know what it's like.
So hope you enjoy this. Hope you enjoyed our previous one, and we will see you next time.
Oh, and just a quick one before we go. Well done, Rovers. Last night we beat Salford Red Devils 32-12.
You did.
Put back at the top of the table with 3 games to go. Come on, Rovers, we can do this.
I hate to say it, but they did play a good game last night. Yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. I'll put in the description about the throws, the company, the email address and everything. Please, if you like what we see, please subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. See you soon.